Welcome to another Junk Journal July 2025 video. Let's grab our junk journals and our junk and creative bits and bobs, and let's dive into today's creative session. For day 3, the prompt is summer, or if you are on the other side of the hemisphere, you could obviously do winter. I just didn't thought about including it in the prompt list. I hope you felt free to make it fit to your surrounding at the moment, or you could also do the summer prompt to remember or just long for the warmer days. Here at the moment it's so crazy hot that I didn't really thought about that not everyone is having summer and heat waves at the moment. So I'm sorry about that. I hope you felt free to get creative with that. I did eat some ice cream the other day and decided to keep the little cone wrapper here to include into the journaling spread for today, because I thought the white and green striped one kind of remembers me of kind of retro vibes in a way, and I thought it would fit the prompt for today's junk journaling challenge. For the inside of the cone, I decided to use these pastel colored sticky notes to draw some ice cream for our junk journal spread. I had to fight a bit with the soft ice to kind of get the shape right, so you can see me here do a few attempts before I was kind of satisfied with the outcome for the spread. And also, sorry for the late upload today. I was really busy and just now finally had the time to do the Junk Journal July challenge. I hope I will be back to a little bit more early uploads, but I have to see on a daily basis how it's going. If I have it done earlier, I will make a premiere and then you can see when the video is going live on my channel. But for today's upload, we will just do it live on my channel right the moment I finish up the edit here. So I just did glue down the little paper ice cream into my cone, and then I decided to glue it here onto the page. For the spread for today, I decided to use this old road map kind of spread, as it reminds me of the old days when you were driving with your parents or just making a road trip and just having to navigate the car in the summer with those old paper maps. So I thought it would perfectly fit the vibes of today's spread. And here I just decided to use the washi tape with all these little cameras to add some bits and bobs that remind me of summer. And now I just wanted to add a little quote, as well as some more mixed media will come into play. And this spread kind of feels very simple, but I'm really happy how it turned out. I think it looks so cute and fun in a way. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's summary junk journal with me video. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy, and if you want to join me on this daily junk journal adventure in July, hit the subscribe button to join me on this creative adventure and many more creative adventures to come.